Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TD Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into TD Bank, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.td.com and press enter. Once the TD Bank homepage loads, locate the login button. This button is usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be taken to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to double-check your input for any typos. Next, move to the password field and enter your password. It's important to ensure that your password is typed accurately. If you wish to save your login information for future visits, you may check the Remember Username box. After entering your credentials, look for the green Login button. Click the Login button to access your account. If your username or password is incorrect, a prompt will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password if needed. If you have forgotten your username, click on the Forgot Username link. You will then be guided through a series of steps to recover it. If you encounter any issues logging in, consider contacting TD Bank customer support for assistance. Once logged in, you can access your account information and manage your banking needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.